My job. My job is an important part of my life because it helps me support my family and give my children a safe home and food on the table. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning so I can get ready and have enough time to reach work. I leave my house at 7:30 and I arrive at the office around 8. If I am late, my manager usually asks for an explanation, and sometimes they deduct a small amount from my salary, so I try my best to be on time. I work for 8 hours every day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The job can be busy and tiring, but it gives me experience and teaches me new skills. Every month, I receive my salary. I use part of it to pay bills and transportation, and another part to buy everything my children need. I also save a little money to make sure my family always has what is necessary. I work because I want my children to have a better life than I had. I want them to feel secure, loved, and supported. My job gives me independence, strength, and the ability to stand by my family. Even when I feel exhausted, I remind myself that I am working for their future.